Well, hello, my friends. This is Annette Williams, your passive income girl, coming to you again with another tutorial to hopefully help you have a little smoother time online as you are building your businesses. I want to talk to you today about domain forwarding and masking. For you who do not know what domain forwarding and masking is, when you forward a domain, let's take, for example, that you have an affiliate link. Affiliate links are always some crazy looking link that's hard to remember, a lot of numbers and words, so you want to get something very easy for your people to follow, if you will. And so what you're able to do when you purchase your own domain, which is what you would do first, by the way, with Godaddy, is you want to create a domain name that's going to be easy to remember. Once you do that, and when you're creating that domain, by the way, you want to make sure you add your service or product in that domain name and make it very short and sweet. Then you're able to take that domain name that you purchased and you can forward it to the affiliate link so they kind of connect together, if you will. So you will post the domain name that you purchased, the product or service in it. And by the way, you're putting that product or service in that domain name so that you can help the search engines know what your domain name is about, which will actually help you to get more free organic traffic to your product or service. Then, by masking that domain name, which simply means you're adding keywords and phrases that's going to help the search engines to drive the right traffic to your service or product. So that's what we're going to do there. We're going to, like I said, we're going to forward and we're going to mask. Before I get into it though, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel here on YouTube, please do that. I would really appreciate that. Also click that little bell. That's going to help you be made aware whenever I'm putting up new videos to help you have a much easier time online. But as you know, your passive income girl don't like to waste your time, so we're going to jump right into it and just show you how easily this is done. I am here on some domain names that are on. I'm going to just use leadsyourway.com to show you this example. So right here you see a little settings symbol. If you will click on that down arrow, it's going to give you a choice to choose Manage DNS. I'm going to click on that and give it a moment here. Pull it right off for us. Once you get to this area here, you want to just scroll down till you get to forwarding. And right here where it says forwarding, you want to click on where it says add. It's actually adding forwarding to your domain name. So we're going to click on add. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you here. Now you're allowed to forward it to any domain you choose. They've already given you the HTTP, so you don't have to add that anymore. So you just want to put where you want to forward it to. I have a funnel service that I do. So we're gonna, or should I say that I market. I'm gonna forward it to that domain if I can remember what my domain name is. SMM phone leads.com /EXHBI. Just want to make sure I got that right. Sometimes, especially when we're doing a live video, it's easy to get that wrong. So I just want to make sure I got that right here. Yeah. SMM.com. Okay. So I am correct. Go back over here. And then it actually right here, it gives you a chance to preview, which I should have been showing you anyway. Just you preview it to make sure it's going to the place you want to go. And that's where I want to go. So we're good. Let's go back here. And then all you have to do it gives you a chance to forward only or forward with masking. So we're going to forward and mask. So I'm going to click forward and mask. It pulls up an area here to give me a chance to give it a title. And we're going to say something simple. You just want to make it whatever your product or service is. So you just want to make something real simple. Let's see. Oh yeah. SMS phone leads. SMS phone leads. Phone. Let's just call it that. You just want to make it something that's going to describe what your domain name is about. Okay, description. Build your SMS phone. Make sure you include what it is in your description. SMS phone leads. And SMS phone leads, I'm going to add a list to that. It's actually building your list, by the way. And, okay, and earn consistent commissions at the same time. Just short and sweet, and just make sure you include what you are marketing in your description as well. Very important for the search engines. Excuse me. Now I'm just going to put a few keywords here. SMM build lists, phone funnel. And by the way, you only separate with commas, guys. No spaces, just commas. Let's see. Phone funnel, SMM leads, or put SMM phone leads. Okay. Work from home. Let's do, you can put as many as you want. Put a few more here, network marketers. We all need network marketers. This right here. Internet marketers. I think it's space. No space. Internet marketers. Market. Okay, that's gonna be enough. Okay, like I said, you don't when you're doing this, you don't want to put any spaces between your commas. The only time you put a comma is when you're separating the different words or phrases. Not a comma, but a space. So I'm just making sure. Okay, let's get rid of any. Okay, so we're so used to spacing between, different word after a comma. You have to be careful not to do it. But if it's just if it's dealing with the same phrase, then you, of course, like work from home. You notice I spaced between work from home, but I didn't space after the comma. So if it's the same phrase, you do space between the words, but you just don't space after a comma. That makes sense, guys. So that's pretty much it. Let's save it. And what's going to happen, let's see. There we go. And then it tell you feature may be unavailable while we process your updates. Some updates require confirmation. Please check your inbox for a possible confirmation email. Okay, it usually don't take very long. You will look back. If you look, you can come back here, and it shows you where you forwarded your domain to. You also can add a subdomain as well, so you can have as many subdomains as you like. So it's pretty cool. But that's for another video. Let's see, have it already forwarded. 1 second. So you don't take real long, guys. Let's go here. I'm trying to get you guys to see better. Let's go here. It was Lee's Your Way.com. So now when I put leadsyourway.com, it should take me to that website. Perfection, guys, perfection. So hopefully that didn't take too long. I get kind of caught up sometimes. But that's how you forward your domain name. I really hope this video was helpful. And as you can see now, even though it's Leads Your Way that I forwarded from Godaddy with, it took me to my SMM leads. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Hope that helped you guys. Thank you so much again for stopping by, taking a look at my video. Trying to make it a little easier for you online. This is Annette Williams, your passive income girl. I appreciate you more than you know. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget, click the subscribe button for me. And we will see you in the next video. And don't forget to click the bell so you will be aware of all the new material that I'm putting up. Thanks so much, guys. You have a wonderful day.